Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to hide the taskbar in your Windows or computer. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that you need to do is at the bottom search bar, type settings. Once you have typed it, the best match will appear. Double tap to open. Okay, so once you're being redirected here at the settings, at the left side of it, it has this list of options. Now here you need to look for personalization, which I can see here next to network and internet. Click it, and the moment you have clicked it, the personalization section will appear. Here you need to scroll down and look for taskbar, which I can see here next to start. Simply click it anywhere to proceed. Okay? So here in the taskbar menu or options, you need to scroll down and look for taskbar behaviors, which contains taskbar alignment, badging, automatically hide, which what we are looking for, and multiple displays. Now, in order to see these options, simply click this forward arrow, I mean down arrow, sorry. And the moment you have click on that, you will able to see a lot of options here. Here you need to go with automatically hide the taskbar. Just mark it or check it, and in that manner you have just successfully hide your taskbar. So in my desktop screen I don't see any anymore. Okay? So hopefully this video helps. If yes, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.